The first season of Beypore Water Festival in 2021 at Kozhikode made waves in the tourism industry, and it was billed as one of the biggest water festivals in India. The second season of the Water Festival, which was held from December 24th to 28th, raised its fame further and making it a must-attend event in Kerala. Curtain raiser events like Women Heritage Night Walk, Marathon, Beach Volley, Kabaddi, cycling and musical shows set the tone of the festival. Kerala Tourism Minister Mr. P.A. Mohammad Riaz inaugurated the Water Festival while actor Suraj Venyarwood was the chief guest. Water-based competitions, International Kite Fest on the Marina Beach and on the banks of the Chalia River offered a rare holiday experience to visitors from far and near. Adventure activities by Coast Guard, military and naval contingents generated appreciation among the crowd. Navy ship INS Kalpeni and Coast Guard ship ICGS Anvesh was thrown open to the public during the festival days. Illuminated Coast Guard ships were a spectacle to watch. Naval Band Concert, fusion music by Shivamani, and performances by Vidhu Pratap, Sitara Krishnakumar, and other noted musicians sent the crowd into a frenzy. An electrifying performance by Thaikudam Bridge Band brought curtains down on the biggest water festival of Kerala. The mega food festival highlighting the traditional cuisine and delicacies of Kozhikode was a sumptuous treat for gourmets and foodies. The anxious wait for the next edition starts.